We're here in Collegetown Center in apartment number 519. We're in a standard north-facing rectangle apartment on the 5th floor. You'll want to take a look at the north-facing studio apartment informational video to see how the apartments fit together on this floor. We'll enter through the kitchen area. In this model layout, the number 19, the bathroom door will be here off the kitchen. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. That basically changes the flow of the apartment a little bit. It gives you some more wall space within the unit. We'll have the same furniture items that you've seen in our other studio apartments. And we're on the 5th floor on the street side, which is the Dryden Road side of the building. We're here in Collegetown Center in apartment number 519 at 151 Dryden Road. We're just one block from campus.